is that you could have been on this show.
Oh, I would love to be on this show.
Because
That's not a secret.
you were the one. There were two people left.
Yeah. Okay, don't rub it in, John. I mean, I love Emmy. Come on, she's
We love
perfect.
Emmy.
Of course, yes.
If it weren't
so
Emmy,
I would have picked Emmy
it
over
would
me.
have been you.
But yeah, I know, right?
And now people who went to MATC are thinking, I know Royal. You teach at MATC.
I do.
You are. What do you teach?
I teach writing, communications.
Yeah.
Yeah, since 2015.
You're Dr. Royal, aren't you?
I'm Dr. Bavoxling.
Yes.
And don't call me Dr. Royal or Mr. Royal. I don't like that.
Oh, really?
No, I don't.
It's all fine.
I don't teach kindergarten. So you either call me Royal or you got to figure out how to say my last name.
Which way I call you Royal. Say your last name for me.
It's Dr. Bavoxling, John.
Dr. Bravoxley.
Yeah.
Thank you. Who lives in Walker's Point?
Who lives in Walker's Point.
Where'd
and
you
teaches
live
at MATC.
Where'd you live before you lived here?
River West.
River West.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Was it a transition?
No.
Did it feel the same?
No, it was totally weird to look at downtown from the other side.
That's about it. Yeah. There was a lot in River West that we loved, but when it was when we were buying a house, and so we did look in River West, but we just found the perfect house for us here, and it was kind of between the two neighborhoods.
Yeah.
And so at that time too, Walker's Point was very affordable, especially a little bit to the west where we live. It's not so much the case anymore, but again,
Right.
this 15 years ago, we got a really great deal on a really cute house.
Nice.
Yeah. A really old house, built 1879.
Which is amazing.
It is.
Yeah.
Brick foundation.
Yeah.
A lot of work had to be done, or?
Yeah, I mean, we did the bare minimum and moved in, and it's just been like our art project ever since. Like,
Yeah.
we've just been working on it. It still needs so much.
The three of us were at a benefit for Skylight Music Theater, and I put my ticket in a few buckets, and the one that I won was a tattoo. And I called Molly, I said, hey, I got a gift.
You did.
Show your tattoos.
Well,
I love that I allow you to show them on my show.
Exactly.
Okay?
Exactly. Thank you. Thank you. I do cover on the news, but
You do.
This is one of my favorites. I'm a typewriter person, so I have a typewriter festival that I co-organize here in Milwaukee, and so of course this is one of my favorites. I love flowers. I love plants. I love typewriters.
Are your tattooists, tattoo artists all in Walker's Point?
Some of them are, but we've had tattoos done all over the city and
all over the country, actually.
New Orleans.
Oh, really?
Yeah. We're just collect them.
And you still do?
Yeah.
Oh, good.
Yes.
Where's the one that came out of that basket?
Oh, we've actually been in contact with her. We haven't
have?
set it up yet. Be
Nice.
sure to let you know.
Will it be my face?